Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to wrap your hands with hand wraps. Today these are actually nuns. I don't know what they are, but they're hand wraps anyway. You can get hand wraps anywhere. Now the way I will be showing you how to wrap your hands is everyone does it different. Now this is the way I was teach in my boxing training, so if it's wrong you can correct me in the comments, do what you want. I'm just going to show you the way I do it. So I'm going to get this piece right here. Should be it's two sides. One's a rougher kind of edge side where you can see the knitting. One other side's neater. You're going to get that part, put it in your thumb. So you get this part, and like that. I'm going to go under twice. So not too tight, but you don't want it too loose either. Next, after you do that twice, you'll come up here, and you want to do your knuckles at least 3 times. I'm only doing it 3 times because I don't have a lot of the hand wrap. So that's 1, twice, and 3 times. Now, so after you do that 3 times, you want to get this piece, bring it under again. And I'm just going to unravel this because it gets a bit tricky at this point, and then back over and at the thumb because you need lots of protection there. I'm going to go just for my safety one more time around the knuckle. That's optional, you don't have to do that. I'm starting to bring it back down towards the wrist, and this is going to be me at the end of it. And that is how you wrap a hand. Now, if you want to see how to do the right hand, just comment down below, and I'll do another video on that. So this is what you need the actual wraps for. Let's just say like mitts, like these that are used for boxing bags. Slip your hand in. Obviously, or hopefully, it would be a bit worrying if none of you knew how to put on gloves. Then you just slip your hand in, and you protect your knuckles. Mostly this is just for protecting your hand when you're hitting a bag or sparring, etc. Maybe doing fights or something. This might be a bigger kind of glove. So for this one, knuckles, if you hit something head and you don't have protection, your knuckles will be all solid red. It'll just hurt more. This just gives you a bit more protection. So slipping your hand in. These gloves will probably be used for sparring and fights, but that's just what it looks like. It should look like that's for underneath the gloves, or unless they're like doing skipping or something and you want to take off your gloves. If you watch this far into the video, I just ask you to like, subscribe and follow me. And if you didn't see enough, comment down below. If you want to see more, comment down below. Thanks for everyone who's watched the video, and huge shout out to Kiely, who's in Ireland right now doing the boxing. Hope it goes well for you. Thanks.